Hello guys, I'm back again. I want to invite you today to crochet another basic hat for toddlers, and I am going to use this Crafter's Secret Big Idea. This is my first time to use this yarn, and the color of the yarn is dark ivory. Okay, and also I'm going to use size J hook, size J 6.0 millimeter. Can you see it? Okay, and a scissor and a yarn needle to wave the tail of the yarn later on, and also a 32 inches long, this is half inches wide ribbon. Yeah, 32 inches long of a half inches wide ribbon. Okay, now we are going to begin with the magic ring. Wrap around yarn on your finger twice. 1, 2, remove the ring, and into the ring we are going to make 12 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 is counted as first double. We are going to make 11 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we are going to close the ring. We are going to pull the inside strand. This is the outside and this is the inside. Pull that halfway from left to right. Looks like that. And now this tail, we are going to pull this tail nice and tight. Now the ring is secured, and we are going to join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. 1, 2, 3 on top. On the third chain, slip stitch there. Alright, now for the round 2, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as joining. At the bottom of the chain 3, we're going to make 1 double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch, we're going to make 2 double crochet. And we are going to continue working 2 double crochet into each stitches around. Okay, now I have 24 double crochet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Now we are going to join it like before. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And for the round 3, make a chain 3. And into the next stitch, we are going to make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet into the next. Now I want you to repeat this pattern around, guys. 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Go ahead and finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my round, guys, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. I have 36 double crochet around. Now we're going to join it like before. Okay, and for the round 4, make a chain 3 and make 1 double crochet into the next. Now into the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, and 2 double crochet into the next. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around again. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into each of the next 2, and 2 double crochet into the next. Repeat this pattern around, and I will meet you for the joining. I finished my round, guys, and I have the total of 48 double crochet. Now we're going to join like before again. Slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. Okay, now for the next round, for the 5th round, we're going to make a chain 3, and we are going to make 1 double crochet into each stitches around with a total of 48 double crochet. So go ahead, guys, and continue making 1 double crochet into your round. Go ahead, guys, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my round, guys, and now let's join it with slip stitch on top of the beginning chain 3. And you should have 48 double crochet around. Now for the round 6 until round 8, I want you to repeat round 5, making 1 double crochet into each stitches around, and make sure to maintain the same number of counting. Okay, so go ahead and finish your round 6 until round 8, repeating round 5, and I will meet you for the next round. Alright, I finished my round 6 until round 8, and I still have the same number, 48 double crochet around. Now for the round 9, we are going to make a chain 4. This chain 4 is counted as first double crochet plus chain 1 space. Okay, now we are going to skip the next stitch, and into the next stitch we are going to make 1 double crochet, then make a chain 1, and skip the next stitch, and into the next make 1 double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 double, and then 1 double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, 1 double crochet into the next. Now go ahead and repeat this pattern around. Make a chain 1, and then skip the next stitch, and into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, then chain 1, skip the next stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and chain 1. It looks like this. Okay, so go ahead guys, finish your round, and I will meet you for the joining. Alright, I finished my round, and I have the total of 24 chain 1 spaces, including the last chain 1. Okay, so now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the third chain of the beginning chain 4. So 1 2 3, we're going to join it there. Alright, and for the round 10, we're going to make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch, and single crochet into the next chain 1 space, single crochet into the next double, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, single crochet into the next double, single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now go ahead and continue this pattern around, making 1 single crochet into each chain 1 spaces and into each of the double crochet. Okay, you should have the total of 48 single crochet around. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single, and for the round 11, make a chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch as joining, and we are going to work 1 single crochet into each stitches around. So go ahead guys and finish your round 11, making 1 single crochet into each stitches around, and I will meet you for the next round. Alright guys, I finished my round 11, and I have the total of 48 single crochet around. Now we are going to join it with slip stitch into the beginning single again, and for the round 12 until round 14, I want you to repeat round 11, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my round 12 until round 14, and at the end of my round 14, I lock my work and I cut my yarn. Don't forget to wave the tail of your yarn later on, and also I wave the ribbon into the chain 1 spaces. Okay, I use this yarn needle to weave the ribbon. Alright, and you can tie the ribbon into a bow. Tie it into a bow. And put the flower on top of the bow, like that. or you can just leave it plain like this as well. Okay, for the flower, when you're sewing the flower into the hat, make sure that you are not going to sew the bow together with the flower, okay? So that if you want to wash the hat, you can just remove the ribbon from the hat, and then put the hat into the washing machine, and then put back the ribbon again after washing. Okay guys, all right, for the flower, I am going to add the link for the tutorial link at the description box of this hat, so that you can just go ahead and click there, and it will direct you to the tutorial for this flower. Okay, for the measurement of this hat, this is for 6 to 12 months old babies. It has the height of 6.5 inches, 6.5 inches from top to the brim, and also it has the circumference of 16 inches. Okay, all right, we finished another project, guys. Thank you for crocheting along with me. I hope you like this. Actually, this is the very basic hat, which is I only use double crochet and single crochet together. All right guys, thank you again, and see you for my next tutorial.